Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I hope you are all doing great and you are working on this beautiful language called English and you are practicing your you are working on your speaking. So first I want to say sorry because I had not been uploading my videos for 2 days. So that's why I want to say sorry. I want to upload my videos continuously, but some of the reason I didn't upload my video. So today I'm going to talk about why most of the people do not able to speak in English. And most of the people said they don't have an environment. Most of the people said they don't able to speak English because they don't have any partner. So if I talk about environment, no one has an environment where they can practice. You create your own environment. If I talk about myself, even I don't have an environment where I can practice, where I can make my videos peacefully. Because so most of the people said they don't have an environment. So no one has an environment. People create the environment for himself to learn something, to learn. So if you want to speak in English fluently, it requires, so if you want to speak in English and if you want to speak in English fluently, it requires a lot of patience and a practice. It's not only one day things. You can do it in a 1 day or 10 day or 30 day. It's a process to to learn English, to speak in English, because when you practice daily, you become better at it. You become good at speaking. But if you don't practice, you didn't become able to speak in English. So most of the people become good at speaking in a month. Most of the people take a lot of time. It's totally depends on you. It's up to you. How do you practice and how much you practice? How many times you practice within yourself, with yourself, and then how much you read books, how much you speak in English, and how much you practice in English, and how many vocabs you learn in a day. It's depend on you. It's totally up to you. You can learn vocab, 10 to 15 vocab in a 1 day, or even you can practice. I think you can talk about routine, then you can talk about like interviews, you can talk about, I am talking about the topic. So because when we started practice, sometimes we feel uh, uh, we feel I don't have a topic. We feel uh, which topic should I talk about? So that's why I'm talking about the topic. So you can talk about interviews, you can talk about routine, and you can talk about your family, and you can talk about your relation when you travel, when you go to when you travel in travel for another country. You can talk about it. You can choose different type of topics, and you can talk about job interviews. So this kind of topic you can talk about it. And if we especially talk about myself, I I don't have a I don't practice a lot because I don't have a much time to I don't have a time to practice because I sometimes in morning I help to my mother with cooking and in the evening so I record my video uh, between morning and evening. That's why I didn't able to practice in the morning and or evening. I prefer to practice my communication, my uh, I practice in afternoon, and I recorded my videos around 4 4 p.m., 5 p.m., sometimes 3 p.m. It depend it's depend on the environment around when I find peaceful environment, then I started to record myself to make my videos because uh, you cannot make your videos in that environment where too noise. So that's why sometimes I record my videos 5 p.m., 3 p.m. according to the environment. So if I talk about for me, I think especially there is no environment where I can practice. So I practice my English speaking in my room and where everyone go out. Everyone comes and go out because there is no special area at my home where I can practice peacefully. But when it comes to record my video, I record at that time when everyone not at a home or everyone doing something, everyone not at home or everyone sleeping in afternoon. At that time, I record my video. So if you like my videos, please hit the like button. Follow for more videos so I can it's inspire me a lot to uh, continue my videos. So thank you for watching my videos. Thanks a lot. If you like my videos, please hit the like button. Follow for more videos. Thank you.